Hi, I'm Rachel Kowalski. I'm a pediatric ER doctor in New York City, and I'm also a fiction writer and essayist with 3 Pushcart Prize nominations. You can find my published writing on my website at rachelkowalskymd.com, and you can find my interviews on podcasts like The Nocturnist and kevinmd.com. I'm going to talk to you about a topic that's very important to many writers, but particularly to people who take care of other people. For example, doctors, nurses, and caregivers. And that is talking about trauma. How do we get our experiences, both lived and witnessed, onto the page in a way that feels right and does justice to our subject? We'll cover 7 strategies from telling it slant to magic realism and surrealism to meaning making and telling the story head on. We'll look at work by James Baldwin, Emily Dickinson, Amy Hempel, and even some children's stories to get some ideas. I love working with other writers, both those who are experienced and those who are just getting their legs underneath them, to help them get their words onto the page in a way that feels right. I hope to see you soon.